What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So let's jump right into it. A little introduction for you. This video will be about setting up your broker account and connecting it to your trading platform, MetaTrader 4, right? So let's get started. The broker we will be using is KOT Forex. This is the broker that I've been using the past 2 years, and to me it's user friendly and it's pretty easy to use. I got it down packed, and I'll be going over that with you. The trading platform we'll be using again is MetaTrader 4 app. It's the #1 trading platform for trading Forex. So that being said, let's get to the bag. Before we get started, let's go over 2 things that you will need to do. First thing is the Google Authenticator app. It could be any authenticator app, but the Google Authenticator app is what I personally use. This is a requirement to set up a 2-step verification process, which will be used when signing into your broker. So after putting a username and password, it will ask you for a 6-digit code, which you will get from your Authenticator app that's personally on your phone or device. Next is verifying your Cash App. What this does is it allows you to purchase, sell, and send Bitcoin, which is how we will be depositing money into our broker account, which will then go into our MetaTrader 4 app. All right, so now King of Transparency is what KOT stands for. Forex obviously means Forex. So first things first, after doing a quick preview, you can just go ahead and sign up. Let's jump straight into it. The website link is in the descriptions to get started. And right now on the screen, you can see I just press the sign up button. I will be going through this with you step by step. So, of course, first things first, your name and password. All right. After that, you will get an email sent to you. So after you click on the email, of course, this is the next page you'll see. All this is blurred out, obviously, so you don't see my personal information. So after you fill this out, you put your number in. You select your currency if in the US, obviously Euro, JPD, and there's that. Next, your birthday, year, da da da. We'll skip through this, it's self-explanatory. So next part is, now after you set up your login and such, you have to come back here and log in once again, and you'll be set. As aforementioned in the introduction, you should have your Google Authentication app already in your phone, and all you have to simply do is press Enable 2-Step Authenticator. Right? So come right here, and you will scan this on your phone. So the code changes every 30 seconds just for your safety, and it's one of the best types of security there is. So let's move on from this, and boom, everything's done successfully. So doing a walkthrough, here's your dashboard of all your different accounts. Is your account specifically. This will be linked to MT4. Right now it's empty because I have not set it up yet. We will get to that. Here's how you make deposits. Pretty self-explanatory. You will make deposits into the broker, which is KOT Forex, and then from the broker it will be an internal transfer to your MT4 account. And here's how you make withdrawals. Of course, cha-ching. Everybody loves withdrawals. Same thing in reverse. It will go from your MT4 account to your broker to your bank account. Alright, so let's get started. As you already know, so we'll choose the wallet we want it to go into, USD. We'll choose the type, which will be via Bitcoin, and the amount. For me, once again, I'll be doing $10. So let's proceed to the payment page. Here you have the Bitcoin address that could be shown via numbers and letters or the actual QR code, and the amount. So this is $10 in Bitcoin at this moment. Let's get back to the phone. So as you can see, we'll be depositing 0.002147.8. So type that in, 0.0021478. Make sure that lines up. Let's get this started. So the Bitcoin address you can either send to yourself, which I will be doing now. Type in it word for word if that may be the case. And I will now be pasting it in. Let's confirm it. And now it should take a good 5 to 10 seconds for it to be sent to the broker. And then from then on, we'll be waiting on confirmation. Bingo. And we're all right. Now, what we're doing now is waiting for confirmation. And I'll get right back to you when it is done. We'll move on from there. All right. The next and last step is to go back into KOT Forex, and you just go straight to accounts. You'll create an account, right? After selecting which one you want, a demo will just be for practice trades. Highly recommended for new traders. You'll still be able to put in trades, but it won't actually be any money attached to it. They'll give you a balance of, I'm pretty sure it's maybe $10,000, but of course it's all fake, and it's fake in regards of money, but trade-wise, it's good for practice. Yeah, so definitely hit that one up if you want some practicing before you start doing the real deal. And let's open a real account though for the sake of the example. You select your currency, which is the US dollar in my case. Your leverage will be 500, and you press create account. After it says success, you will go into your email, and it would have sent you a login. All right, so I'll bring that up right now. All right, and here we have the email that they sent to me with my server name, account number, and password. So let's go ahead and fill this one in. So your first step would be to open the MT4 app, go straight to settings and press new account, log into existing account, and you just follow all the instructions. So the server name, it says KOT Live 3, and then you enter your login, which is your account number, and your password. It is case sensitive, so be aware of that. And you'll be able to sign straight in. Now, as you can tell, this is your account versus the quotes. This is your currency pairs. Your charts is how you can actually look at the chart. The chart that's shown on the screen is Bitcoin at this current moment. Here's your trades. Here's your history and your settings. So for the trade part, let's keep that one up as I transfer the $10 that I have in my account to my MT4 account. So you will go to internal transfers. You will go from wallet, which is the KOT wallet, to MT4. I'll be selecting from the USD that has $10 in it, and it's going to be put into that account. If you have multiple accounts, then they'll be listed here, but being the case I only have one, that's only that shows. And the amount to transfer will be $10. Requesting transfer, and it popped up ASAP. Now, just for the sake of an example, let's say, and I got a notification too, even better. So let's say for the sake of example, it is the weekend, so only thing I would be able to trade is Bitcoin. So let's do a trade in for Bitcoin by, just for example, so buy Bitcoin, right? Now let's go to trades, and as you can see, it starts trading. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the club, and let's get this money. Remember to comment or DM me on Instagram if you have any questions and if you got any content that you would like to see. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Good luck to my new traders. Peace.